it again. This is what pressure does for you. Get him off the length. Sweet timing. That's 4 more. Pressure does strange things to you. It's squeezing so much. Turn again. Work the long on. Squeeze left. Too much room. Has he got it? He has, you know. He's not finished yet. He's not done, the Sri Lankan captain. Oh, what a stroke that is. Charlika Karunaratne. That's the shot of the evening. It goes again. 1 down score. They were calling. Swing and a miss. They're going to keep. That'll be 4. That'll be 4. That's the risk that Richardson faces. If he goes wide of off stump and gets it wrong, it... Straight down the ground he goes. Powerfully struck. And 4. He's doing it. The Sri Lankan captain has taken him to the brink. Down the ground he goes. It's off the ground. That's 50. What an innings from the Sri Lankan captain. I swear I do. I feel it on my mind. Straight down the ground he goes. Powerfully struck. And 4. He's doing it. The Sri Lankan captain has taken him to the brink. Down the ground he goes. It's out the ground. That's 50. What an innings from the Sri Lankan captain. One of the best you'll ever see. A wide will do it. A wide will do it. And Sri Lanka will win the third T20 international by 4 wickets.